Class 5, this is your video of social science on lesson number 12, Conserving Our Environment. In this chapter, we are going to understand the importance of conserving the environment. We'll also learn about different types of pollution and the different methods of reducing waste. So let's begin with our lesson. Now students, when I say environment, what do you understand by the word environment? Environment is everything that makes up the surroundings of a living thing. It consists of both living and non-living things like air, soil, water, plants, etc. Apart from this, it also includes man-made things like buildings, cars, buses, roads, and bridges. That makes our environment. Humans have created several things in order to make our life easier. But the one thing that while doing so, we have also damaged our environment. So now let us study how we can conserve our environment. Students, conservation means protection of the natural environment, including plants, animals, and natural resources on Earth. The Earth's environment provides various resources needed by human beings. These resources consist of land, water, soil, plants, and animals on Earth. Humans use these resources in order to meet their requirement of food, clothing, and shelter. But reckless exploitation of the environment has created an imbalance in nature. Several factors that have created this imbalance are pollution, deforestation, overpopulation, industrialization, and urbanization. Now let's move to pollution and its types and how it can be controlled. The word pollution means the contamination or dirtying of the environment by the discharge of harmful substances either into air or soil. And by destroying our environment, we are destroying our own future. That is why we should do everything in our power to control pollution and save our environment from its damage. Now this particular pollution is divided into air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. We will study about these types of pollution one by one. First type of pollution is air pollution. The burning of fuels and add pollutants to the air which causes air pollution. Air pollution is caused by factories, industries, and burning of fuels. Smoke combines with fog to form smoke. Also, students, the word pollutants here means all the harmful substances that are added to the environment are known as pollutants. Air pollution causes various respiratory diseases and breathing problems. Burning of carbon-based fuels like wood, diesel, petrol increases the level of CO2 in the air, and once the level of CO2, that is carbon dioxide, increases, it leads to global warming that leads to climatic change. How we can control air pollution? First, by reducing burning of fuels. Second, by using filters in chimneys to filter harmful substances. And the third is afforestation, that means planting more and more trees. Second type of pollution is water pollution. It means when harmful substances and soil get mixed with water, they cause water pollution. Polluted water is unfit for cooking and drinking purposes. It is caused by harmful chemicals from factories, household wastes, sewage water, and oil leakage. Water pollution can cause jaundice and typhoid. It leads to illness in humans and harms also the plants and animals. How this water pollution can be controlled? By treating sewage and waste from factories before disposing them into the water bodies. Third type of pollution is soil pollution or land pollution. Soil pollution is caused when harmful substances get mixed with the soil. Soil pollution is caused by factors like solid wastes, refuse from mines, and polluted water. It harms plants, animals, and makes the soil infertile. One important fact here is pollution kills more than 1 million seabirds and nearly 100 million mammals every year. We can control this land pollution by better garbage management and also by controlling the use of fertilizers and pesticides. Now next and the last type of pollution we are going to study in this lesson is noise pollution. Loud and unpleasant sounds disturbing our environment cause noise pollution. Factors that cause noise pollution are horns of vehicles, loudspeakers, loud music, and firecrackers. Sounds are measured in decibels. Noise pollution can cause hearing problems, stress, irritation, and discomfort. Now students, next we move to waste management and its disposal. So what is a waste? Any material that is no longer useful to us is called waste. The disposal of waste in cities is a big problem. If it is not disposed properly, germs and diseases spread. These wastes cannot be disposed in rivers, lakes, as it leads to water pollution. Burning of this waste will cause the air pollution. Buried waste causes land pollution and contaminate groundwater, causing water pollution. Therefore, it is very important to dispose wastes properly. Now students, there are two types of waste. First one is biodegradable and the second is non-biodegradable. When we say biodegradable waste, these are the waste from plants and animals like fruits and vegetables, leaves and paper. They easily rot and finally mix with the soil. Thus, they are not very harmful for the environment. Second type of waste is non-biodegradable. It is the opposite of biodegradable waste. These wastes will not rot easily and thus they harm the environment. For example, plastic bag, metal cans, glass bottles, broken glass pieces, etc. So students, these two kinds of waste can be disposed in many ways. Reducing waste and disposing it correctly is necessary to conserve our environment. So let us see how we can reduce waste. Students, there are three methods of reducing waste. First, reduce, second, reuse, and the third is recycle. We must follow the policy of 3 R's. It is a golden rule to save our environment. Now first is reduce. We must try to generate less waste to protect the environment. Less waste can be generated by reducing the things that create garbage. Second, reuse. Some things can be reused like plastic and glass bottles instead of throwing them. We can use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. We can also donate our old clothes and toys. Save trees by wrapping gifts in newspapers. Third, recycle. Certain things can be recycled to produce new products. Paper, glass, aluminium cans can be recycled to make products using notebooks made from recycled paper. So in short, we can say recycle means the things that cannot be reused, they can be made into new things. So students, this is all we have learned how to save our planet, our Mother Earth, and also try this to become a better green citizen and better green soldiers. Go ahead and practice all what we have learned in this lesson. Thank you.